everybody. I'm Rob, and this is the Man Cave, and this is my partner in crime, Bucky Doodles. Today we're just going to have a little quick chit-chat, and I'm going to show you a couple things that I have acquired since my last video. The first thing, and I did mention this in my last video, that I ordered a thread set. And this thing is just so cool, I'm telling you. It comes in a little case, 39 colors. Yes, it is polyester, but that's fine. Look at all those lovely, lovely colors there. I bought this for my English paper piecing. I've been hearing contradictory stories about thread for EPP, and I have been using cotton, and I do find that it tends to wear out and snap easily. So I decided I'm going to try some polyester, and I am a thread hoarder. I love threads as much as I love fabrics. So my little partner in crime here, Bucky, he just finished his breakfast, and he's looking for a little love today. Aren't you, buddy? So, something else, that was, the thread set was part of my Christmas present. The other thing, and I kind of forgot about these last two things, and this was also a Christmas present, is a t-shirt. Let me open this up so you can see exactly what it is. Okay, Buck. I don't know if you can see that or not. I'm trying to see myself what's going on in the camera. But I saw this, and if I didn't show it, it says, "I quilt, but my favorite hobby is collecting fabrics." Let's see if I can get that up there. Hopefully it's not coming up backwards. But Donnell from Donnell Stitchery, when I saw this shirt, I thought immediately of you. I know how much you love gnomes, but I'm sorry, you're going to have to buy your own. I don't know what size that you would wear, so I bought one for myself. This was the last of my Christmas presents to myself. Now, moving on, we've got this here. Now, this wasn't a Christmas present. This is a birthday present for myself. Yes, my birthday's coming up in just a few weeks, and I figured, well, I'm going to treat myself to something. So, I've already cut it open before I started the video, so I wouldn't have to play games with it. Ooh. Yes, it's another Fat Quarter Bonanza from the Fat Quarter shop. Look at those lovely, lovely colors there. It looks like it's an Easter or spring themed collection. So I'm going to open this up, hopefully, and maybe we can find out where it's from, what manufacturer. Let's see. It's Riley Blake Designs. It's called Playtime, and I can't make out Playtime's 30s. Oh, hush, you guys. They're fighting over their breakfast. I'm going to put the camera on hold and on pause until they finish, because I don't want you listening to them growling. Hello, and I'm back. During the break, I decided to investigate this Bonanza bundle from the Fat Quarter shop, and I learned that it is a Riley Blake design. It's called Playtime 30s, and it's a recent release, 2024. I'm trying to make out what the person's name is. It looks like it's Lindsay Wilkes of the Cottage Mama. So I'm going to go ahead and just put this put the camera down and we're going to get into this. This is just too stinking adorable. I'm going to raise this up and bring you down. And hopefully my camera cooperates with me. Alright, look at these. Look at this. Look at all those cute fabrics. There's little ducks, there's little bears. It's just adorable. I'm telling you, I love these fat quarter bonanzas from the fat quarter shop. If memory serves me correctly, this is now the third one, number 3, that I've ordered from them, and I've always had very, very beautiful bundles. Okay, flip this over. We have this first one here is kind of like a cheater cloth. It's very cute. Little ducks, little bears, flowers. Look at those little bears. Can you see them? And little duckies. And there's some cubes, flowers. This is just adorable, I'm telling you. And here is the salvage. Hopefully I can get this so you can read it. You see there, 2024. So obviously it's a relatively new design or release. I mean, I know this is almost 2025 now, but so yeah, this is, I decided to order this for a birthday present. My birthday is the same day as Elvis Presley's. Look at this beautiful green with little blue flowers in it. Blue and yellow, white flowers. This is just too stinking cute. This would make such a beautiful baby quilt. I'm telling you, I just think this is the greatest. Now, I have to be honest, the Fat Quarter Shop is not sponsoring this video. They don't sponsor me in any way, shape, or form. I purchased this, and while I can tell you what the price is. Oh, and there's 12 fat quarters in the bundle, by the way. It's $31.98 plus shipping, and if shipping was, because I didn't order enough to get free shipping, it was $4.95. Oh, do you see these little bears? Look at these cute little bears. I think this is an adorable bundle here. And we got little duckies with a green background. And we got yellow duckies on a pink background. This is just too stinking cute. I'm telling you, I love it. Now, obviously, you don't know what you're going to get, but I've had very good luck with each and every one of these Bonanza bundles that I've purchased. Another pink. Such beautiful little pastel colors. Now this is interesting. It's like a check, but it also has minute little flowers in there. I don't know if you'll be able to see them or not. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, we got blue ducks. Blue background with yellow ducks. Just too stinking cute. I wish there was some more bears in here, though. I'm kind of a bear nut. And we got little itty bitty like beach balls. And then like that other plaid, but this is just a different colorway. It's blue and white. Too stinking cute. I'm going to have to research this one. I may have to get more of this. This would make an ideal, like an Easter quilt as well, spring quilt. Just so cute. So I want to talk to y'all a little bit about what's been happening here at the Man Cave. Now y'all know I live full-time in my RV in Central Florida, and we had 3 storms that came through this over the summer. What was Debbie, Helene, and Milton. Now thankfully we did not get much damage from Debbie, but Milton and Helene took us for a ride, so to speak. And there was a lot of damage. More damage to my RV than I first let on to, because I didn't want... It wasn't a pity party or anything, but I'm happy to say that 90% of the work of the repairs have been now completed. I'm going to turn this camera back up. Now, what I was too embarrassed to say in any of the past videos was I was given an ultimatum by the RV park in which I reside that I had at that time 30 days to complete all the repairs and get everything back looking the way it's supposed to be. And I'm happy to say, well, it's done. The shed is completely rebuilt. That was a job, let me tell you. We basically had to take the frame apart to put the new cover back on. That was an all-day job. And then I had to go through, I don't know how many plastic tubs I had of arts and craft supplies, yarn, diamond paintings, fabric, anything crafting was pretty much in the shed. And I lost 90% of it. It's not a pity party, I'm not looking for sympathy here, but I had to sort through all of the plastic tubs so that I could get a list and write it off for the insurance company. So, I mean, that took, oh my God, days and days and days. And then I had to photograph everything, and oh, I'm glad it's over. The list has been turned in, the photographs have now been turned in. It's just a waiting game to see how much the insurance company is going to cover. Oh, I'm hoping that they come through and they do what they claim and for what I've been paying for all these years. Again, no pity party here. I want to apologize to all my creator friends that I have not been really watching their videos much the last couple of weeks because I've just been too busy out in the yard and trying to rebuild the shed and sorting through damages, and oh my God, it's been a real challenge, I'll be honest with you. By the time I get done sorting through everything, rebuilding what needs to be rebuilt and repaired, I'm just too wiped out at the end of the day, and all I want to do is just sleep and go to bed. And obviously I have to take time with the boys and give them their love every day too. Not to mention just day-to-day chores, you know, pay the bills, go out and clean the dog poop wastes and dishes, laundry, you know, the normal stuff that everybody else does. I have to do the same thing. I don't have a maid or a butler to take care of it. I have to do it. So, and I'm glad that I'm still healthy enough that I can do it. So I think that's about all for today. I'm done. I've done laundry today. I've done yard cleanup for dog waste. I've done my dishes and cleaned up my kitchen. So as I was saying, as my camera decided to cut out, I'm wiped out. I'm calling it a day. I'm going to go to bed, get some sleep, get some rest, and give some attention to the boys. They need it because they've been a little neglected too the last couple of weeks because I've just been so darn busy that all I want to do is just go to bed when I come in from working in the yard and all the repair work. So I am going to say so long for now. I hope that you all have just the best day ever. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay creative, stay blessed, and just stay wonderful. So I'm going to say hasta la bye-bye. We'll see you again very soon. Oh, by the way, don't forget to take care of the homeless dogs, cats, and animals in this world by supporting your local humane society or rescue group. And in the event that I don't have a video up before Christmas, I want to wish you all just the best of holiday seasons and even better New Year. Oh, it's got to be better. No more storms here in Florida. I think we're done now for a few months before hurricane season starts here again. So I'm saying goodbye. Bye bye for now. I am gone. Whoosh.